Hi there, I'm Ola. I'm founder of specsight, and this is a short demo of the product. So we know that writing code is 10 times faster these days, but how do you keep up with all those changes? Is your entire team and a company in the loop? Do you have a single source of truth for everyone to know what the product does today? Or does everyone end up waiting for another stand-up or asking an engineer? So specsight is giving you observability for a product, which simply means continuous insights into how the product behaves and changes release by release. Let me show you. This is a feature map. It's basically like a whole product on one screen. You can see every feature, how they connect, and what depend on what. Let's open one and go a level deeper. So each feature gets this flow diagram of the user journey, where a user starts, where they end up, and basically every branch in between. You can also browse the spec. Every feature is described in scenarios, and a scenario is a one concrete behavior in a format of context, action, and outcome. It's written at this business/user level, so it's basically completely non-technical. Every time the team releases a new version, specsight reads this release automatically and writes down exactly what changed. It also goes via email, so your whole team stays in the loop easily. Here is an example release. You can see what was added, deleted, and changed. And if something was changed, you can also see the behavior that was before and what it is now. And when a change is big enough that your own users should hear about it, specsight highlights it for you. So it lets you know that it might be worth a release note. There are also reports that let you summarize changes over a bigger window, for example, last sprint, and then you can share it with any stakeholders. They can also be put on schedule, so a fresh digest arrives, let's say, every Monday for your entire team. When you have a question, you can ask specsight directly. It can be done with an internal agent or through MCP. To start using specsight, you just connect GitHub, pick up the repository, and that's it. Access is read-only, your code is never stored on our servers, and you can revoke access in GitHub at any time. From then on, every release is synced automatically. So that's specsight, and it keeps evolving. This is basically just the beginning. We are planning to connect it to tools you already use like Jira, Confluence, Linear, Notion, and so on, to actually have a deeper monitoring. For example, product drift detection, so you can see what was planned versus what was actually implemented, mapping the bugs in your backlog onto the features they touch, and more. And eventually closing the loop, so you don't just observe and monitor your product, you can actually control it through specsight. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at ola@specsight.app. And thanks for watching. Bye.